so empty. My dad, please, Daddy. Just let me know. I told you to talk about pain now. I refuse. I what do you expect? Hey, something. Why is this one against us? What have we done? Oh God. No worry, mother. I'm going to make you better. I'll let you take the God, that's all. I need the God I serve for 6 months. I promise I'll train you guys to the university level. No matter what. I'll show all my rappers, all of them. Give them my love. I'm telling you, you must go to school. 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 Because I get that young. You make me proud. You make me proud.
Honey, you know you're handsome and I'm beautiful. To just assure you that every child that I give birth to will be beautiful and handsome.
Hey! That is why I married you. That is why I went for you. Hey!
But honey, I'm tired. Just
Nataya, why didn't you tell me since now? Let's go.
that's why I like.
Nani, what's the meaning about
Are you blind or can't you see? I am married a new wife now. Hey! Hey! When I told you guys, you thought I was joking like you. This is my new wife.
I don't understand, Nani. I don't understand. After what have I done wrong to you in this house?
You have done everything wrong!
Hey,
But you didn't give me Nelsons!
Nani, I gave you 4 with
Hey! You gave me and only one son. That is why I went for her. Hey! Akugo! Akugo! Her beauty shines in darkness. Hey! You see this place? Hey! Rivers of male children! Odieba! Odieba! Meba! Hey! Hey!
Nani, I will not take this out. She's not going to let us out. Let us out. Cross here, I thought I was bring them. Cross here, I thought I was trying. She must leave this house. She's not staying here with us.
Hey! This is my house. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Akugo! Oh my God, I'm not even going to say. But on a serious note, I love you. I love you so much, but the main reason why I married you because I want sons. I want male children.
Don't you trust me again? You know what I can do now.
This is the same thing that Obdia told me. This is the same thing.
Do I look like Obidia? Nine, check me out now. Check me out. Do I look like somebody that will give you female children? No, it's not possible. I'm telling you this thing. Male children runs in our blood.
Yes.
Hey. Please, you're worrying too much and I don't like it.
Are you sure?
Now.
What you're saying now, if I shoot, I'll score.
Obaye,
are you sure?
The children will come out. Of course.
Akuro.
Hey, honey.
Hey.
Honey.
I know marrying you will not be a mistake. But don't make it a mistake.
No.
Hey.
Cannot happen.
Hey. Akuro. Hey. Ozondu, you have done well. Let's be looking. What is this?
Honey, come fast! No, come fast!
Hey!
Honey, he's coming, he's coming!
He's coming! My boy! Sorry. Let me to Sorry. My boy is in the hospital. Sorry. Hey, my son. Sorry. Sorry.
Nobody will tell you what to do. Oh!
Sorry. Doctor! Nurse! Sorry. Doctor! Sorry. Nurse! Hey! Doctor! Sorry. Hey! My son, Doctor, where your girl?
Doctor,
Where your girl?
congratulations, sir. Your wife gave birth to a beautiful baby girl.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful what?
Hey, girl. Baby girl.
As a point here now, there was a part I was looking for her. I am abandoning her. No, she's not my wife.
You're mine now. You know, male children. Fine that God has located you. Also, now you know that women, we don't manufacture children. It is God that gives children. Finally, they've understood. God, we have done to this innocent girl. Some people make me want you. Yeah. Man, I don't know what to do to you. I cannot carry you home. He said he does not want you again, so me, I'll be going to my house, my husband's house.
I don't deserve all this. All my mates have 45 male children. I have one struggling to get even another. Or is it that my marriage is not functioning well? No. It must be those people I call my wives. Or some do. But don't worry. I will put them to shame. I will surely try to find a solution. No. My enemies cannot laugh at me. No. Hey. But I need money. You are very stupid. Obina, you are very stupid. You guys even beat me your father when I need money.
What you want to listen to? Have you got your plan?
Imagine this boy. What do you want to use that money for, Obina? Obina, what do you want to use the money for? The last time I gave you school money for school fees. And what did you use this for? I don't know. What are you using this one for?
Papa, 2 months in the food basket. What you always do, no concern you.
Wait, first of all, how much are we even talking about?
I'm not talking.
Obina, what will you use 500,000 for? Obina, I ask again, what will you use 500,000 for? Eh?
Papa, you must give me this money, or else.
Or else what? Obina, or else what? I know how I suffered. I know how hard. I know the things I went through just to train you through the school. I trained you through university. And the level you have chosen is the one to smoke, to drink, and chase after women.
Because of the food, talk, within your own self.
Obina, because
Hey, Jesus,
Obina, please.
Hey,
Obina, because
hey, you see your father, please, I beg you.
Obina, it's 2 weeks.
Okay, when are you doing money?
2 weeks. I need time to run around. I need time.
1 week time, what?
Obina, I need time to run around.
Calm down. Oh, baby,
2 weeks, Obina, because
Ngwa, repeat after me.
yes, sir.
In 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
In 2 weeks time.
2 weeks
Okay,
time.
In 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
50 year time.
58 time.
Young guys.
I'm going, sir.
Mama, next time,
Osondu. I be one male children. Look at male child now. You have spoiled him, giving him anything he asks for. Look at him. He has pointed a gun to your head today. You would have died though. You would have died. Look at you. Come and collect male children. See male children. Come and collect. Ewu. I wish I did not even talk to him about you. He would have shot you. Ewu. Don't go find his money for him. Bring his money, oh. If not, man, I don't need to tell you 2 times.
Obina, you a disgrace. Curse you wherever you are. You nearly killed me. Hey.
And a line bringing from West Ham United, expected to go back in for the top midfielder and the knack, and their first bid around 10 million euros.
Allow me, who is here? Who is at the door?
To make the move, he turns.
Let him come in, please.
Next Wednesday.
No problem. Thank you. Please sit. Could you go and get him something to drink? I don't seem to recognize your face. How may I help you?
Sir, please, I'm looking for one Mr. Chizoba. He's probably known as
You have come to the right place. I am from Malaysia. From Malaysia. I'm the richest man in this community. I have cars, houses, money. Not even dollars. In fact, I don't even live here. I live abroad. My money now.
Young man, will you keep quiet? Officers! What's going on? You're from EFCC headquarters. You are under arrest for money laundering.
Do you know who I am?
Officer, move it!
What is
Calm down.
Officer, move it!
Evil man! I can't go to no common! I said it! I said it! Hey! God! Look at what my father put me in! Marrying a criminal! This is an opportunity! Yes! This is an opportunity for me to go back to my father's house and continue my education! Hi, let me pack my bag and go! Hi!
Hey, I think why you back? I'm not going to your house today. Susu Male send you something.
Nwaanyi, can't see that she's crying. Can't see that she's crying. Hey, so what is this? Talk to me now, stop crying. You are crying now.
Oh, yeah? Who's the criminal?
Miss now, confess now. JPFC came to our house and arrested him for money laundering. Hey, Shimo, Nwaanyi, look at what you have done. It is all your fault. Look at who you have set on that to get married. Look at you, shameless man.
Are you sure you know what you are saying? Are you sure you know what you are saying?
Nwaanyi, not crying. Look at her. Nwaanyi, not crying.
You know what you are saying?
Oh, look at her age. But if you don't know when you said that to get married, hey, and you go. Oh, look at her. Stop crying. Okay, stop crying. Don't worry. I am still your mother, and I will not forsake you. You will go to school. You will go to education. There is even a beauty there. You will go to education. Don't worry. Now, oh, you will make a name for yourself in the community. Don't worry. You will go to school. I'm not patient. Hey, see?
Yeah. That was last week now.
Yeah, so I went for a marriage ceremony.
Wow.
Look at my fine dress. Look at me.
Let me see. Wow.
Some people said that women's education ends in the kitchen.
See?
Shame out to them, oh. I don't know if they're here, but anyway, let me just be saying my mind, you know. They say boys are better than girls. But now, my enemies have been put to shame. Look at me here. God has finally shamed my enemies. I just snapped the person. I just snapped.
like that, oh.
Serious?
Hey, check, go. My phone is ringing.
Easy now. Just
Hello. Nwaanyi. Adanje Jemba. Kekwan. Can you give me? How you and the family? I know your husband are doing fine. Just give me best. Chineke, Idima. Just give me best. We should come to Spain.
I will train you because
We should come to Spain. For Mugo. Hey! Chemo!
who is here?
Chemo! We should come to Spain. Is it? Oh,
Let me talk.
what are we doing in the village? You want to talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give her the phone. Hey!
You don't talk.
Hey! We are going to Spain. And after we should come to Spain. We are going to Spain.
Wow.
Yeah. Sit down, let us feel. Why we still reading this thing?
Now let's keep this.
Let us go. We are going to.
Wait, though. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Let's keep it inside.
Hey! You have to this magazine. God has saved all of you.
Stop that thing.
Hey,
You have mouth again. Hey, so you have mouth again. Talk now.
Hey!
The phone is ringing.
Hello. My daughter, how are you? You left us in the village since now. Okay, I understand. You're a very busy girl, you know. As a medical doctor, you know, you cannot be so free at times. I know you're making your money. Hey, Chimo, we should come to England.
Hey.
On the campus.
Yes,
Come on with them. I should come. I will come.
We come.
But first of all, now you know that your sister just put to bed. So we will go there first. Then we will come.
Tell her I'm greeting her. Oh, tell her.
She's here.
Tell her I'm greeting her.
Yes, she's greeting you. Don't worry. We are coming.
Yes, so.
Oh, but don't even hear me call.
Yeah.
Oh, but first we'll fly. Okay, find out for that thing. I'm a plane call.
Aeroplane now.
Anything that calling it, we are flying.
Abi.
We are flying. But some people will remain in this village.
Like,
They will die here.
They will die.
Let's go inside. Look, we have
Let me
a lot
hold
of
the
package
phone now.
to
You
go.
are not Makano. Ow.
Please,
If you go, they tell
hold
them.
it here. If it fall on the floor now, to break. Don't worry, hold it here. Oh, no, don't on it yet now. So the battery will run you. Sorry,
I mean, let's go now.
my it's fine. Expensive. Come on.
Don't worry, smoker will be very like this now.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have more in my cupboard.
Let's go.
What son do? To myself. If I had known, I wouldn't have been particular with one gender. I would have trained all my children. I would have shared equal love. Hey! And look at the only son I thought I was training. Hey! Obinna has put me to shame. But look at the rest of the girls whom I neglected. Imagine. Spain. England. Hey! Osondu. In my next word. Hey, in my next word. I will make sure I share my love equally amongst all my children. I will train everybody to school. Hey! I will never let this type of shame happen to me in my next word. Hey! Truly! Sondu. N'eziokwu. Nwaanyi.